Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad maths problem that looks tricky, but I will solve this, it will become easy and simple. Today Olympiad maths problem is a plus b equals 100 and ab equals 1000. How we will solve this? We will say this is as equation 1 and this is as equation 2. Now we will solve this from the equation 1. So we will write a plus b that equals 100. So what will be the value of b? B equals 100 minus a. Now we will substitute this value here. So a into 100 minus a equals 1000. Then we will multiply this. So a into 100 is 100a minus a square and this equals 1000. Then this will become minus a square plus 100a minus 1000 equals 0. Now we will multiply minus 1 on both sides. So we will get a square minus 100a plus 1000 equals 0. Here we got the value of a that is 1, value of b that is minus 100 and value of c that is 1000. So what will be the value of a? So a equals minus b means minus into minus 100 then plus minus 100 square minus 4 of AC means multiply by 1000 divided by 2. So A equals 100 plus minus 100 square means 4 times minus 4000 divided by 2. So what will be its value? We got A equals 100 plus minus 10,000 minus 4,000 means 6,000 divided by 2. Then we get this as A equals 100 plus minus root 400 multiply 15 divided by 2. That means A equals 100 plus minus 20 root 15 so divided by 2. Now take A is common from this. 2 we will divide this by 22 so we get 50 plus minus 10 root 15. This is the value of A. Now we will solve this for the value of B. So what will be the B? So B equals 100 minus A. That means B equals 100 minus A is 50 plus minus 10 root 15. That means B equals 50 plus minus 10 root 15. So this will become, when minus sign is applied here, these signs are changed, so minus is plus and plus is minus. Now we will write the final answer here, the values of a and b. So a equals 50 plus 10 root 15 and b equals 50 minus 10 root 15, and a equals 50 minus 10 root 15 and b equals 50 plus 10 root 15. So this is the final answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many A levels, O levels, GCSE, IGCSE and many other competitive exams. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.